probably not a surprise. We're going to use the metric system in this class. These are some of the prefixes you want to know, and make sure that you know the value for each prefix. When we measure things in class, we can measure them either quantitatively or qualitatively when we're doing labs. So far, we've only used qualitative measurements. That would be measuring qualities, like bubbling, getting warmer, color change. In the future, we'll also measure quantitative data, quantities, the amounts of things. I want you to think about why, if we had a choice between the two, we would want our data to be quantitative rather than qualitative. And write down your answer. Pay close attention to this. We've got some new rules for measuring stuff. Whatever device you're using, ruler, graduated cylinder, balance, it's always limited to how many places it gives you. We are always going to estimate one place beyond. So if you look at this ruler here, it measures the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I was going to read something or measure something using this ruler, I would always have a decimal answer. If it was right on the 1, I would say it's 1.0. If it was halfway between 1 and 2, I would say 1.5. Always estimating and giving one decimal place past the device. Here's a couple rulers. I want you to measure both objects using both rulers and write down your answers. All right, this is what I got. Using object A and ruler 1, I got 6.79 centimeters. It gives me the almost 6.8. I'm estimating that last digit to 9. If I use ruler 2, I'm estimating between the 6 and 7. It looks about 6.8 centimeters. Object B, the shorter object. If I look at it, it's almost at 4.5 centimeters. So I'm going to estimate that, because it's not quite there, at 4.46 centimeters. The dash is a little bit more than halfway between the 4.4 and the 4.5. Then if I used ruler 2, well, it's almost halfway between 4 and 5. I'd say it's about 4.4 centimeters. So you can see the difference in the measurements depending on the tool, and that we are always adding one decimal place to the tool using our powers of estimation. When we take measurements in class, we want to be both accurate and precise. One or the other isn't enough. Look at this first dartboard. These darts are all over the place. This person is neither accurate nor precise. The middle dartboard, this person is being precise. They hit the same area almost every time, so their measurements agree, but they're not accurate because they're nowhere near their target. And the last one is both accurate and precise. They're hitting their target and they're hitting it every time. This is where we want to be when we take measurements in science. You can say what you want about LeBron or Kobe, but here's a man who knows both precision and accuracy.
And on this particular 6-game road trip, 3 in a row out of the gate, heading to a game with the Clippers.
And the second place Atlanta lost, so that widens the margin.
Just nailed that free throw. Look at this.
Makes it, what, 3 games now, right?
Eyes closed.
Jordan?
No way. Are you kidding me? The greatest ever, Michael Jordan.